Are you ready to transform your financial reality and step into a life of true abundance? Today, we're diving deep into a powerful secret that successful entrepreneurs and financially free individuals have mastered: attracting money through the law of attraction. This isn't just wishful thinking, it's a strategic mindset shift combined with actionable steps. We'll explore 5 concrete, potent tools you can implement immediately, whether you're building from the ground up, scaling new heights, or simply seeking to elevate your relationship with wealth. This journey is about more than just money. It's about self-improvement, strategic financial planning, and unlocking your full potential. Take a moment now to breathe deeply. Inhale, exhale. Let your mind open, ready to absorb these transformative insights. Get comfortable and prepare to recalibrate your financial vibration. You cannot attract what you cannot define. Imagine walking into a high-end restaurant and simply saying, "Bring me something to eat." You might receive anything or nothing truly satisfying. Life and the universe operates on the same principle. Stating "I want more money" is not a request, it's a vague desire. The universe, much like a discerning investor, responds to precision and a well-articulated plan. It's time to move beyond wishful thinking and embrace strategic clarity. Take dedicated time to define exactly how much wealth you desire to accumulate. Specify the time frame for achieving this goal, making it realistic yet ambitious. What specific financial milestones will mark your progress? Crucially, articulate the profound why behind this financial aspiration. What will this money truly change in your life, your business, or for your loved ones? Connect your financial goals to your deepest values. Consider what abundance truly signifies for you. Is it the freedom to pursue your passions without financial constraint? Is it the security of a robust investment portfolio? Perhaps it's the comfort of a dream home or the ability to fund impactful philanthropic endeavors. When your financial objective is imbued with deep personal meaning, your energy naturally aligns with it. This alignment becomes a powerful magnet, drawing opportunities and resources your way. It's about more than just a number. It's about the life that number enables. For entrepreneurs, this clarity extends to business revenue targets, profit margins, and investment strategies. How much capital do you need to scale your operations, innovate, or expand into new markets? Define these figures with unwavering precision. You might write a powerful declaration like, "I effortlessly manifest a net worth of $5 million within the next 5 years, fueled by my innovative business ventures and strategic investments, creating lasting financial freedom for my family and empowering my community." This level of clarity acts as an energetic GPS, guiding your thoughts, focusing your energy, and directing your actions towards your ultimate financial destiny. The second powerful tool is the strategic use of affirmations. These are not merely words repeated mechanically, they are deeply felt, vibratory statements designed to reprogram your subconscious mind. Your subconscious is the architect of your reality, meticulously recording every belief you consistently feed it. If your internal dialogue is dominated by phrases like, "I'm terrible with money," "Money always slips through my fingers," or "I can never get ahead financially," your subconscious will diligently confirm these limiting beliefs. It will seek out and create experiences that validate these negative narratives, trapping you in a cycle of scarcity. However, you possess the incredible power to reprogram this internal narrative. You can consciously choose to install new, empowering beliefs that serve your highest financial good. Begin to declare with conviction, "I am worthy of abundant wealth in all its forms. I am a natural magnet for money and opportunities." Embrace statements such as, "Every day, new and exciting financial opportunities flow effortlessly into my life. I am perfectly aligned with prosperity and financial growth. The universe consistently conspires in my favor, financially and professionally." These affirmations are not just hopeful wishes, they are declarations of your new financial identity. The true secret to their power lies in infusing these phrases with genuine emotion. As you repeat them, vividly imagine yourself receiving a significant investment, signing a lucrative contract, or joyfully reviewing your growing bank balance. Feel the excitement, the relief, the gratitude that comes with achieving these financial milestones. The more deeply you feel what you're saying, the more profoundly your subconscious mind integrates these new beliefs. Make it a daily practice. Repeat these affirmations first thing in the morning before you sleep, and even as you go about your day. Let them become the bedrock of your new financial identity, transforming your inner world to reflect outer abundance. This self-improvement technique is fundamental to wealth creation. The third indispensable tool for attracting wealth is your vision board. This is a dynamic visual representation of your financial goals and your desired future lifestyle. It's more than just a collage. It's a daily blueprint for your subconscious mind. When you consistently gaze upon images of your financial dreams, your brain begins to acclimate to these future realities. It starts to perceive them not as distant fantasies, but as achievable outcomes. And when your brain accepts something as achievable, it instinctively begins to seek out solutions and pathways to guide you toward that reality. This is a powerful form of self-improvement through focused visualization. Populate your vision board with compelling images that evoke strong positive emotions. Include the specific financial figures you aim to achieve, perhaps a screenshot of a target investment portfolio value or a bank balance. Feature images of your ideal living space, the luxury car you desire, or the thriving business empire you're building. Include symbols of your ideal lifestyle, exotic travel destinations, philanthropic projects you wish to fund, or images representing the freedom and impact you seek. Every single image on your board should ignite a spark of joy and anticipation within you. It should resonate with your deepest aspirations for wealth creation and personal fulfillment. View your vision board not as a collection of distant dreams, but as a tangible representation of a future reality already in the process of being built. It serves as both a visual anchor and an energetic beacon. Seeing it daily programs your mind to actively attract the resources, opportunities, and connections necessary to manifest everything depicted on it. For entrepreneurs, this can include images of successful product launches, thriving teams, or industry awards. The fourth tool, gratitude, is one of the most potent vibratory amplifiers in the universe. When you consciously cultivate a state of gratitude, you immediately shift your energy into the frequency of "I already have." This is a critical principle of the law of attraction. The universe responds not to what you want, but to what you feel is real and present. If you genuinely feel abundant, you will inevitably attract more abundance into your life. This isn't just about being thankful for what you have. It's about being thankful for what is coming and for the very act of financial flow. Be profoundly grateful for every single dollar, euro, or pound that enters your life, no matter how small. Acknowledge its presence and its power. Be grateful when you pay a bill. This act is a powerful affirmation that you possess the means to access essential services and comforts. It signifies your financial capability. Extend your gratitude to every opportunity that arises, every helping hand extended, and every small financial breakthrough or progress you make. Each of these is a sign that the universe is responding to your new vibration. This practice is a cornerstone of self-improvement and positive financial psychology. Make it a nightly ritual to write down 3 to 5 specific things related to money for which you are genuinely grateful. This could be, "I am grateful for the ease with which I paid all my expenses today. I am grateful for the unexpected income that flowed to me this week. I am grateful for the new financial opportunities that are clearly manifesting in my life." Gratitude fundamentally alters your energetic vibration. And when your vibration shifts to one of abundance and appreciation, your external reality inevitably follows suit. This simple yet profound practice is a cornerstone of effective financial planning and wealth attraction. The fifth and final tool is aligned action. The law of attraction is not merely a law of thought. It is a dynamic law of energy and materialization. While thinking and feeling attract, it is inspired action that materializes your desires into tangible reality. Aligned action is not about forcing, struggling, or relentlessly chasing after something. Instead, it is about taking steps that feel right, fluid, and natural. Actions that resonate with the version of you who already lives in abundance. It's about listening to your intuition and acting on those nudges. For entrepreneurs, this might mean launching that innovative product you've been conceptualizing, reaching out to a high-value client, investing in a new skill, or enrolling in a specialized training program. It could be daring to ask for what you deserve, boldly proposing a new venture, or simply taking consistent, forward-moving steps in your business. The universe thrives on movement and momentum. Every action you take, no matter how seemingly small, sends an incredibly powerful, energetic signal. I am ready to receive. I am actively participating in my financial destiny. This proactive engagement is what truly unlocks the floodgates of abundance. It's about recognizing the opportunities that appear once your vibration shifts, and then courageously stepping into them. It's about doing the work, but doing it from a place of inspiration and alignment, rather than desperation. This is where self-improvement meets strategic financial planning. When you combine clear intention with inspired action, you become an unstoppable force. The results you've been seeking will begin to appear, often in ways you couldn't have predicted, because you've created the energetic and practical space for them to manifest. There you have it, the 5 indispensable tools for attracting wealth through the law of attraction. Crystal clear financial vision, empowering affirmations, your dynamic vision board, the profound power of gratitude, and inspired, aligned action. These are not just concepts, they are practices for financial mastery. Choose just one of these powerful tools today. Commit to applying it consistently, starting right now. Observe the profound shifts that begin to occur in your vibration, in your thoughts, and in the incredible opportunities that start to present themselves to you. Money is not merely a commodity, it is a powerful form of energy, a vibration that you absolutely can learn to master. The journey to financial freedom and abundant wealth is not an elusive dream. It is a tangible reality, already making its way toward you. Take action now. Don't let these insights remain just information. Choose one tool. Whether it's writing down your precise financial goals, crafting a powerful affirmation, or starting your vision board, and implement it immediately. Share your first step in the comments below and join our community of thriving entrepreneurs. Subscribe to this channel for more wealth-building strategies and hit the notification bell so you never miss an opportunity to elevate your financial future. Your abundant life awaits.